Hello folks, my name is Chetan Kumar. Today I'm going to teach you how to develop geographical data or work on geographical maps. Let's get started with today's session. So as you can see, there's a mark over here for these columns. These are the geographical columns. Just click on that, you'll be able to see a geographical role for that. It's a state. So just double click on that and you have a state popping out in front of you. It does not make any sense, so let's drag sales to size. So as you can see, California has the maximum sales and North York has the second largest sales. So if it's difficult to identify in this particular format, let's click on the fill maps and here you go. It's very easy to identify now based on the color coding. California has the maximum sales, following up with New York and Texas. So there are other options when you are developing a map. There's an option on top left corner maps. Just go to background. You can change the background of the maps, stock, or depending on however you want your maps to look like. So I'll keep it light. There's one more option called background layers. Click on that. Here also you have the same option. If you want to change it to a satellite view, click on that. I'll keep it light. As you can see, there are no coastlines over here. If you want to show coastline, you can click here. You will be able to see a coastline popping up on your left hand corner. Just uncheck them if you don't want it. That's all for today's session regarding maps. Let's move on to the next session.